I've had my Colchester Student lathe for a few years now. It came with an incomplete taper attachment. The clamping bracket was missing, making the device unusable. For those familiar with this type of lathe, you would know that the taper attachment is used to cut a taper by controlling movement of the cross slide in and out with this sliding control. I made the required clamp by first modelling it in Fusion 360. The required parts were milled from a piece of 16mm by 45mm cold rolled steel I had. After milling, I protected the metal by blackening it. The taper system requires a way to connect it to the lathe bed using a metal bracket. The bracket and the lathe bed are at different levels, requiring that an angle is built into it. A wooden jig helped during the welding process. One end of the bracket is connected to the taper device at the end of the cross slide. The other end is connected to the clamp, which is then secured to the bed of the lathe.